Conversion factors and conversions use fractions to get rid of the units that we don't want and get the units that we do want. Now, this is using some basic multiplication and paying attention to our units. All of these conversions require us to have some equivalent value. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Those two things are equal. So if I put them into a fraction, and I want to get rid of meters, so I want to get rid of my meters, meters go in the denominator, and kilometers go into the numerator. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So if I do the math here, it's 325 times 1 divided by 1,000 gives us 0.325 kilometers. And that works because the meters cancel out and leave us with kilometers. If I was going to try to get rid of kilometers, I would have kilometers in the denominator, and I would have meters in the numerator. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So this would be 8,200 meters. Sorry, I'm not writing very well here. But it's all based off of this fraction. If I can cancel out my kilometers and be left with meters, based on this equivalency, then I'm going to get the correct number. By the way, this number that is a mess is 8,200. I can use that same concept with time. 3,600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So if I have 200 seconds, I can get rid of the seconds by putting them in the denominator and hours in the numerator. That's going to cancel out my seconds. And 3,600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So if I take 200 divided by 3,600, because it's 200 times 1 divided by 3,600, it gives me 0.5 repeating. Now I have 3 significant digits, so it's going to be 0.0556 hours. If I wanted to take 1.12 hours and get rid of the hours, I put the hours in the denominator, seconds in the numerator, and we have 3,600 seconds for 1 hour. So 1.12 times 3,600 divided by 1 is going to give me 4,032 seconds. But that's the wrong number of significant digits, so it'll be 4.03 times 10 to the power of 3. Sorry. And that's going to give me, so that's 4.03 times 10 to the power of 3, and we've got rid of our hours, and we're left with seconds. The same concept can be applied when we have a complex fraction. Now, in this case, if I want to get rid of the seconds, or pardon me, the meters go on top, and kilometers would go on top, or meters on the bottom, kilometers on top. That's going to cancel out my meters, and 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. If I wanted to get rid of seconds, though, seconds need to go in the top because they were in the denominator over here, right? So seconds go in the top and hours go in the bottom. So 3,600 seconds for 1 hour is going to give me the total conversion. The hours cancel out, or pardon me, the hours stick around, seconds cancel out. And so it's going to be 3.26 times 1 divided by 1,000 times 3,600 divided by 1. So 3.26 divided by 1,000 and times 3,600 divided by 1 gives us 11.8 kilometers per hour. And so we're able to get rid of this complex conversion using this strategy. So again, if I wanted to do this, I want to get rid of meters, be left with kilometers. Then I'm going to want to get rid of the seconds and be left with hours. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds, and 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. That's going to get rid of my seconds, get rid of my meters, and leave me with kilometers per hour. So it'll be 4.8 divided by 1,000 times 3,600. It gives me 17.2. So this is going to be equal to 17 kilometers per hour, and that's too significant. If I wanted to convert from kilometers per hour to meters per second, I get rid of the kilometers by putting them in the denominator and put meters in the numerator. And so 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. That gets rid of my kilometers. And then if I wanted to get rid of my hours, 1 hour goes in the numerator, 3,600 seconds goes in the denominator. That gets rid of my hours. And this is going to give me meters per second. So if I have 75 times 1,000 divided by 3,600, this gives me 20.83 repeating. So it'll be 21 meters per second, because that's 2 significant digits. If I want to get rid of kilometers in the denominator, meters in the numerator, 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. It gets rid of my kilometers. I want to get rid of hours, so hours will go in the numerator to cancel them out. Seconds go on the bottom. 1 hour, 3,600 seconds. So this is going to be 35 times 1,000 divided by 3,600, and it gives me 9.7 meters per second. Hopefully that helps you do those conversions.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.